Hey everyone, this is Scott Lesenby coming to you from the W Hotel in downtown Seattle. I don't know what to say about this. I was expecting something a lot more. Let's just start out with that. I've stayed at only one other W Hotel, which was in downtown Austin, Texas, and it was a lot nicer than this. This to me seems like a cheap budget hotel room with fancy decor. That's wallpaper, by the way. That is not real wood. But overall, this room is just a box. Whereas the other W hotel that I stayed in was actually very well designed. It was not quite as sweet, fairly larger room, not so sterile. This is very sterile. This is very clean, very simple. Not a whole lot of design, and I mean, I know it looks nice, but W hotels are known for their, I don't know what they're really known for, but they're known for being hip, young, cutting edge. So to see a basic room like this is somewhat disappointing. It's not bad though. I've certainly stayed in worse hotel rooms. I'm not complaining about this, even though it kind of sounds like I am. Maybe I am a little bit, but I was expecting something a little bit more plush, but let me show you the bathroom, which is right here. It's kind of an odd shape, but it works. Got a toilet over there, and I like to see this, a nice robe. It's not very thick, but it's a robe. I like it, I'll take it. Decent shower, tub, shower head. Again, like I said, just very basic. I think this used to be a different brand of a hotel, and they just came in here and took it over and added their flair to it. This water is $4, by the way, so we're not going to touch that. We're going to stay very clear of that, but yeah, it's all right. The door to an adjacent room, which is kind of scary. They do have wine here. I thought this was complimentary at first, but it is not. If this water is $4, I can only imagine what the price of that is. Coffee maker, and then snacks for purchase right here. And then there's also a mini bar. Yeah, with stuff. Lot of alcohol. There's a lot of alcohol in this room. So if that's what you're into, you're gonna like this. The view is pretty good. I'll show you that in a moment. I don't wanna lift all this stuff up now because it would just kind of ruin the video. But overall, downtown Seattle, pretty good location, small room, feels like just a cheap hotel that they tried to make fancy. So this being the second W hotel that I've ever stayed at, I don't really know what the vibe is. I mean, the first one was awesome. I actually felt too old to be staying at that hotel. Here, I mean, I don't know. It's not young and hip as the other one was. But pillows seem good, pretty soft. Beds, yeah, they're all right. Kind of firm, but whatever. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comment section below without sounding too condescending. I don't know, but yeah, I'm disappointed. Oh, let me show you the closet. Got a nice structure here of shelves and a safe and my stuff and an iron and ironing board and Scott toilet paper, my favorite kind. So yeah, if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.